Google AI Studio new update with Imagen 4. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search aistudio.google.com. Then, on the left side, click on Generate Media. In here, click on Imagen in the middle. After you've clicked on it, you'll find Model option at the top right. Select Imagen 4 Fast. As it is the latest one, you can select your ratio. Then click on Describe your image at the middle, and then type in your prompt, what kind of image you want, and then press on CTRL, and it will create image within some seconds, as you can see. And this is Google AI Studio new update with Imagen 4. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.